everyone, and welcome back to my channel, JRC Restoration Decor and Designs, and my name is Phyllis. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you a quick furniture flip DIY. I have this cabinet that you're going to be seeing in my garage since 2017. It's from an apartment complex that I guess was doing some updates on some kitchens, so I just took this one. They was putting them out on the side of the bin, so I took this one. I've been seeing a lot of furniture flips on Instagram and just love the process that they go through. However, I will not be going that in depth with this. I just wanted to take this out. I initially had in mind to use this in my laundry closet for extra storage, but it's too heavy for me to lift. And I decided I would just use it. Initially was going to be using it as a window bench, and I'll be pointing that out here in a few minutes, in my living room. These are the doors. I guess they were going to be painting them gray or green, whichever one. This door is gray. I don't know why, but I drew a pencil mark on it trying to create a design, and I just quickly X'd that out in my mind. Just said I'm just going to paint it, and I'll be covering the top with marble contact paper, and left it at that. But I'm pointing out where I will be putting this, and that here is in my living room in this area. I'll be taking these two cabinets here and putting them in my dining room, removing those two mirrors, which will be going upstairs in my hall. And the legs that you see on the cabinet there were legs that came off of a bench. I wanted to put it as a bench, but putting the legs on it brought it up too high. So it'll just be like a TV, not a TV modular stand, but something like a curio. Not even a curio. Oh, I can't even think of what you're calling it right now. But just a little stand, and basically it's just going to be more storage. Again, I will be covering the top with marble contact paper, and the way I'll be changing the look of this is using spray paint, which is this right here, Rust-Oleum High Gloss. I purchased this from Amazon. I have 6 cans here, but I will only be using 4. Now, I initially bought this paint to spray paint some frames and decided against that. So I'll be using it for this, since I've had this since like 2017 or 2018, and I've been wanting to get it out and use it. So I will be sanding it with liquid sander instead of taking out my electric sander. And I'll flash a picture of that across the screen as well. I washed it down with some just soap and water, dish soap and water. And then I liquid sanded it down, the whole thing. I will be spray painting the entire thing except the inside and the back. I'll just be spray painting what you can see visibly in your eye when you, with your eye, not in your eye, but with your eye when you see it. That is the doors, the sides, and the legs. I will not be spray painting the inside. The inside, I'm just going to lay some wood pieces and shelving in there until I can get some wood to cut to make shelving to store more pieces. Again, I'm pointing out here at the top. I will be using some marble contact paper that has a gloss finish on it as well, so it can be wiped down if it gets wet for whatever reason. And I'm pointing to my cabinets because I was trying to decide, okay, what's the top and what's the bottom? Well, looking at the top of this and what my cabinet looks like, that helped me determine it. And that was before I put the legs on, was trying to determine. And then when I said, okay, I see this gaping hole, because see, the hole could have been up to the ceiling. However they had this cabinet mounted, I don't know. But I determined the top, since it looked like my kitchen cabinet top, is what's this flat wood part here. Now I'm showing the wood pieces that I'm going to be putting in here are these pieces that I had in my garage. And then in the middle, I have an extra piece of wood in the garage. And this is just temporary. Again, I'm not spray painting the inside because I really want to do something different. And then I'm pointing out these little holes because I kept all of the hardware that was to this door. I didn't do anything with the hardware. I just put it right back on. But those little holes is where the little pieces, when you close the door, it locks to it. So I'm going to take this in my backyard and spray paint it with the high gloss spray paint that I showed you all. And then after I show you that, I will then cover it with the marble contact paper before showing it to you all styled out. And again, I want to thank you all for stopping by. Okay, I have it finished, and I used only 4 cans. So here is one side and the legs done. Again, I'm not worried about the inside right now. I think I'm going to cover that with some contact paper. And the noise in the background, I have my granddaughter on the phone. She's watching TV. So, sorry about the extra noise in the background. Here's the other side. And I see here, I'm not worried about that because I have an idea of, I want to do some trimming around on both sides. Well, actually all the way around. And the tip of the feet, the very, very tip, I think I want to do that gold. I'm just thinking of some ideas, and here are the doors on top. So I'm taking this a little slow because ideas are coming in my mind of what I want to do. So here's the last look before I put the doors on and then put it in its new place, all styled out. So just let me know what you all think about this quick furniture flip. I really like how this came out. It was so simple, quick, and very easy. Now, some of you all might look at this and say, now, I remember seeing this in another video. I did have this done, and my DIY of the cracked sculptured horse is now currently sitting on top. What you're looking at is the video done, I guess it was about maybe almost a month now. I'm just now editing it to upload. So I have a lot of videos that I have recorded but not have edited. So this one is one of them. And I wanted to share this with you all. But I still have some more things that I want to do it. Like I said, the tip of the feet, I want to do some gold around it and some trimming and possibly a little gold band strip at the top, some more hardware. But for right now, I just wanted some more extra storage. And I remember having this in my garage. But again, I love the way it came out, and it was so quick and easy. The only time consuming part of it was just waiting until the paint dried. So again, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to thank you for stopping by. And if you like what you saw in this video, check out my other DIY videos. And if you liked them, please give them a thumbs up. For my faithful viewers and subscribers, thank you so much for stopping by. And I do appreciate your viewing support. And remember, the distance between your dreams and reality is called action. Thank you so much again for stopping by. JRC Restoration, Decor, and Design.